Hello, friends. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I will talk about fuel cell energy today. If you see my watch list, fuel cell energy would always be there in my watch list. I have been observing since it was falling from 20, I guess. If you see here, I have been watching it since then. Many of my friends bought this when it was initially at 2. Just believe me, many of my friends in the past year had bought this at 2 and has been holding since then. They haven't even sold this when it has reached its all time highs, too much of its all time highs every single week. It it was a crazy stock back then, and since correction everything got changed, and there are labor scarcity, inflation, COVID issues, everything hit this stock very badly. But down the line, it's a very good stock to buy and hold. It would definitely reach to its all-time highs again. Back in February, it will reach to its stock price. I'm definitely sure about that. So while I have been watching this stock since its all-time highs falling down with the market correction, right? Thought it was a good time to buy at 7.6, but my stock I I'm into a stock where I couldn't take my money out from losses. I do not want to come out of a stock from a loss. That's why I kept that stock on hold without selling it. That's why I couldn't arrange up money or have money to buy this fuel cell energy. But it's a very good buy even at this price. So today they happen to release their earnings report September 14th. You can see the scroll bar here in Webull. They happened to release their earnings, and it was some kind of beat in terms of revenue, and the net loss was reduced as per the expectations of an analyst. That's the cause of the spike today. So if you see here, it is from 7, it went to 12 at one point in the month of June, from May mid to June. But it so here it again, if you see here, it shows 52 weeks is 1.58 share price. If you see that 1.58 share price, it's here, somewhere here in the April month last year. So slowly, once we move into October or into November or December, it will change the 52 weeks as 6 or 7 or something, because after 2 we have 10 and 7. So it would consider this one as the all-time lows, 7 as the all-time lows once we move into the next year. Okay, anyways, so these are the times and sales that are happening for fuel cell. So fuel cell announced their earnings today, and their earnings beat expectations in terms of the loss per share or the beat on the revenue. So let me take you there. Stock earnings. So fuel cell today, if you have seen, it raised 20% after in the market hours, and has been gradually went down again to 10% rise from 20%. So if you see here, reported before the opening bell, net losses for the quarter to July that narrowed 12.8 million from, yeah. So it was expected as 7 cents a share loss, but it showed up it ended up showing 4 cents a share of loss. If you see here, revenue rose 43% to 26.8 million from 18 million above the fact sheet. So it's an increase in the revenue. So yeah, if you have seen the previous quarter's earnings, all were into negative and beating the analyst expectations in terms of loss in the revenue. So stock has been beaten down badly and shorted till it reached 5.7 to 5.58. It's a very good catch price there. If you keep, if you buy this and hold it like this, I'm sure it will reach back to its 27 24 share price, to its all-time highs. 29 was its all-time high. That was all about today. If you see my watch list, I will always keep fuel cell in my watch list, and there was a special section in my watch list under sure thing. I have put this. We can surely go for this stock. That's what the stock I had listed under sure thing. So now it is 13% up. It's even a good share price to pitch in and hold it to your dear life. All right, friends. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please subscribe if you want more updates. If you like this video, please click on like button. Thank you. Bye.